So with this, you are not going to use any third-party app. You are going to use our phone settings to do this, to hide a lot of social media apps on our phone. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and also turn the notification bell for more videos from here. I'll bring more right here on your iPhone. Let's start with this one. Let's dive in. Let's go. So we have Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, Messenger, Instagram, and Twitter right here, and we are going to hide this right using the settings. Okay, so just open settings. And also, if you want to know how you can just save battery or save data on your iPhone, check in the comment section, or I'll leave the video on the screen for you to watch and then know how you can just do that. So when you come here, just scroll down a little and come to screen time. Open screen time. When you open screen time, just scroll down a little and then select content and privacy restriction. Just tap on that one. So if in case you come here and then this is off, make sure you just turn it on right here. So after turning it on, just tap on content restriction. Just tap on that one. When you tap on it, just scroll down and look for apps. Look for apps right here. When you tap on apps, just change it from here, allow all, to don't allow. Okay, don't allow. And now let's go home, and then you will see this app. Every app here has vanished. You can see the app has vanished from the screen. Even if you search it for here, you will not find the app right here. Facebook is not here, Messenger not here. Yes, so this is how I can just hide the app. But let me show you how I can just deactivate, because I know some of you will lock up right there. So for you to deactivate, just follow the instructions to this place and then just change it from don't allow to allow all, and then it will come back on the screen right here. So just give it a try and then let me know if it works for you or not. Thanks for watching. Check out the screen for more videos from here on iPhone, and also I'll see you again. Stay alive.